Hello my fellow nerds, my name is Jamie and I'm just trying to live my best nerd life. Now a few weeks ago in a previous video I mentioned the fact that I got a free t-shirt from the Monthly Tea Club, and this is that t-shirt. In that video I went through a whole lot of information kind of about the quality of the t-shirts that you get, the packaging that the t-shirt comes in, and all manner of other things. And for this video I decided to upgrade my account to the next level. So rather than being on the kit level, which is one t-shirt for $9.99, I decided to upgrade my package to Caboodle, which is two t-shirts for $17.99. So on this upgraded membership level, you get to pick one t-shirt and then get the other picked randomly for you, as opposed to the kit level, which is one t-shirt that you pick yourself. So without further ado, let's have a look at this package and then let's have a look at the t-shirts. And here's the package. Now if you've seen that previous video, you'll know straight away that this is a different box. In that previous video, the box that I had was much thinner and it had a lot more detail on front and back. This is just a plain old box. And in actuality, I think this is a much better choice for packaging because the last one I received kind of looked like someone had gone through it, like they'd kind of opened it a little bit, torn it slightly. It was just kind of a bit weird. But this, it's very solid. It doesn't look like anyone's opened it, which is nice this time. So yeah, let's get it open now. Okay, so first t-shirt. It is Terminator and Bender Cross. This is a t-shirt that I picked, so I'm very happy with this. This is exactly what I wanted. I just think it looks pretty cool. I think it's a large. Yeah, it's a large and it's a Gildan spun type variety of t-shirt. So yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. And next up, this is the random t-shirt that I don't really know what it is. Okay. So this is a t-shirt that says, waffles are just pancakes with the abs. I mean, I think that is a pretty accurate description. I don't know if I like it or not. It's definitely not something I would have picked for myself. But, you know, that is kind of part of the deal with Monthly Tea Club. You know, you don't get to choose everything that you want. But, yeah. Just on another note, this packaging is absolutely fantastic. There's nothing to it. There's no plastic in it. It's purely cardboard that can be recycled. And again, I've got to commend Monthly Tea Club for having packaging that's very, very environmentally friendly. So anyway, let's try these on. So yeah, not my favourite t-shirt in the world, but it'll do. And yet, this is my next t-shirt, guys. I much prefer it. It's much more to my style and my taste. And it's a nice, vibrant red colour. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy it, then by all means, post me a comment, give me a like, share with your friends, all that random social media goodness. I really do appreciate any kind of feedback that you guys want to give me. And as always, thank you very much for watching.